Hi there, I'm Niall O'Riordan, and today we're going to travel back to 1983 to one of Cyndi Lauper's greatest songs. If you've never seen it, have a look at Seth MacFarlane on The Graham Norton Show, performing time after time in the voice of Stewie Griffin. It's well worth a look. In the same show, he did a version of True Colours featuring the voice of Peter Griffin. So, without further ado, let's have a look at Time After Time.
Very nice.
Now I've set this out in tabs and I've been quite specific about a picking pattern, but it's really up to yourself if you want to play it in your own style or an acoustic. I just happen to have the Strat here handy, so I said for a change I'd do this on electric, but there's nothing to stop you doing it on acoustic, same version. So we start with an F and you pluck it. Watch the tabs below for how I'm picking. Up to a G, same pattern exactly. E minor, same pattern. F sus2, same pattern. So that goes. You do it a second time, but with this at the end. So that goes. And you're into the verse. Now, the verse is really just C and F over C. And a simple strum on each chord is fine. Starting with the F over C. Lying in my bed, I hear the clock tick and think of you. Now the pre-chorus is very like the intro, same chords, except at the end of the first pre-chorus, you've got an F over G. So that goes. And back into a verse. So, second pre-chorus, which actually leads into a chorus, goes like this. Now the chorus is a G and an A minor with a beautiful bass run, which I included in this because it's so much part of the character of the song. Then you got an F, a G and a C. So it goes like this. If you're lost, you can look and you will find it. Time after time. You go around those chords 4 times, then you got that sweet little guitar solo. I find it really interesting and encouraging to see so many different nationalities watching my videos. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I've adapted it here for solo guitar, just added a couple of bass notes. Again, follow the tabs, I'll play it slowly. If you've trouble following it, just go back over the video, you can play it over and over and you'll get it right. It's not that hard. So it goes. That's in F. And a G. Now it's important to palm mute those bass lines. If you don't know how to palm mute, check out this video up here and you'll see I explain all about it. So palm mute the bass notes like this. That's the first time. Second time around, you've got a slightly different ending. So here we go again. And up to speed. Now, apart from that, you've got another sort of a rhythmic guitar solo, which I've sort of approximated here for solo guitar. So it runs around the chord progression of the chorus, but with the third fret on the treble E string all the time. So that makes a normal G, then an A minor 7, then an F add 9, and a slightly differently voiced C, with still a C major. So it goes. And that is how you play the sublime Time After Time by Cyndi Lauper from 1983. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, drop a comment below. Your comments are always welcome. They're helping the channel grow and grow and grow. It's brilliant. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to the channel here. Watch a similar video up here, or my latest video just up here. Thank you so much again for watching. I'm Niall O'Riordan. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops.